Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and having a great life. Today in this video I'm gonna show you some beautiful and latest designs of crochet tissue box covers patterns. And tissue box covers can protect the tissues from box dust, dirt, dust and other and debris. You can decorate your covers, add a touch of elegance to your home decor, and you can choose from a variety of colors and patterns from this video. You can customize the tissue box cover to match your room's theme or your personal style. Since tissue box covers are reusable, they are an eco-friendly alternative to disposable tissue boxes, and plus they are very easy to remove and wash, making them a practical addition to your home. And it help prevent the spread of germs and bacteria, especially if they are used in a public place. Having a tissue box cover near you can be convenient, and it can help prevent you from misplacing the box or forgetting where you put it. So they are very comfortable and very affordable as compared to other tissue boxes. You can customize it and design it no matter how many tissue boxes you want. It's all up to you, and you can select any yarn, any crochet design and pattern and the color of yarn, and then you can crocheting it by yourself. If you are running a small business, you can even take a good amount of orders of tissue boxes covers ideas, and they are very affordable way to add a decorative touch to your home without breaking the bank. So I would definitely recommend you guys to take a look to these boxes and get an idea for to run a small business if you are working in a crochet niche. So yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share your friends, and let me know your favorite crochet palettes for tissue boxes. So this will give me an idea your likingness. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much and have a good day.